AssetWhere Facilities Management includes an eForms section enabling schools to create a range of different forms for their staff to complete and easily capture information. So let's have a look. I've come into eForms and I've got hall booking, instant reporting, inspection, daily checks. I'm selecting hall booking and it pre-populates a lot of the information, knows my email, phone number, and I want to make a hall booking. So I can view the current bookings, see what's been approved, if there's any clashes, what's available. So I know this hall is free on the date and time that I want. So now I can add in the key time here. So it's going to be from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. I want tea and coffee, lighting, sound, and projector. And then I can add any additional comments that I need to, and then click submit. And this will go through to the person who's supervising that area. But it's worth noting that this is not an events management system. It's just a really great way to capture information quickly. So eForms is a great tool for schools to use to easily capture key information from their staff, from incident reporting, daily checks, right through to hall bookings.